We're going to cover editable templates in today's video. Editable templates are a new way to construct Adobe Experience Manager sites. So let's take a look at a page constructed with an editable template. You can see at the top we have a comment header. We'll scroll down. We can see there's a body here. So you can see this says this is a text component. We allowed an author to set a text component here. We've got a body that's based on another AEM component. And then at the bottom of it, there's a footer. And footer is designed such that it has a navigation component in it. It's got some text, it's got an image, and it's got a submit component. Now let's look at how we can access editable templates. To do so, we're going to click the tool icon in Adobe Experience Manager 6.4. We're going to click Templates. We're going to open up the folder in which the editable template is located. In this example, it's under Travel. Now we can see we have two templates, content page and a home template. We're going to select the home template by clicking the check mark button and then clicking Edit. Now we can see that we're in an editable template view. So this view allows us to look at the template. So we can see at the start of it we have the header component. We can click on it. Here a pop-up section displays header. If we scroll down, we can click on this part. We can see this is another component named lead articles. This constitutes the body of the component. And then we can see here we have a layout container. So this is the container that defines the other AEM components that an author can use in this template. So we can see we have title, we have text, we have other components such as lists, breadcrumb, and so forth. We scroll down to the bottom of the editable template, we click here, we can see it's designated as a footer. So all these sections make up the editable template, and then these are the sections that appear when the page is based on this template. Also notice here we've got a message called Template Editor. It says this template is not in draft anymore and might already be referenced by one or more pages. Editing the structure will affect all pages referencing it. This basically means that this template is live and any changes we make to it will be reflected in the page. Now let's look back at the layout component for this template. As we can see, we have all these different components that are part of the layout component. This means that an author can edit this. One important concept to notice about the layout component is notice this lock icon. If we leave it unlocked, an author can edit these components. If we lock the component, that means the author cannot edit these components. So any section that you want an author to be able to modify in the page, leave it unlocked. So we notice that we look at some of these other sections, such as the lead component here. We click on this. We can notice up here that it's locked. That means an author cannot modify this within the page. So that's a very important concept to understand when working with editable templates.